Hi folks, welcome back. Well, update on the camper, on Big Arnie. He's been up at the painters now for just short of 3 weeks, and he's not started it yet. He's just been manically busy. Sort of give you a bit of background on the lad who's painting the van. They do mostly taxi repairs, so obviously the taxis come in, they get repaired first to be back out on the road. So it is what it is. So you just got to sort of run with it and bear with it. Not got many options really, and there's not many people can get a van that size into their unit. It is a big van, so anyway, it is what it is. It will come back when it comes back, and when it comes back, I think you'll be pleasantly surprised, as will I. So anyway, for the moment, I've been working on the Mini, as you will see shortly. I'll put a little video together. We had an oil leak on the Mini, persistent oil leak, and it seems to keep moving. So on last examination, it was coming from the rocker cover. So we've got a new BMW rocker cover, genuine BMW rocker cover and gasket. And the gaskets for the EGR cooler. There was also a little leak on that, so got some bits and pieces. So I stripped it down last Tuesday. Well, in the process of stripping it down, and we couldn't get two of the injectors out. Two of the injectors had seized solid. Now bear in mind, the injectors only went in a couple of months ago, so definitely the rocker cover's been leaking, because when we got them out there was a load of oily crud down the side of the injector, which is basically what's seized it in. The oil that's been leaking down into the injector chamber has like solidified, if you like, and baked on to between the walls of the cylinder where the injector sits and the injector itself, made it almost impossible to get out. Anyway, I'd like to see the video, and also doing a bit of painting on the door handles and the windscreen wiper blades for Arnie, so to titivate that for when it comes back, and that's another wee mission achieved. So at least I'm getting on with it, even if the painting isn't. So catch you later.
So hi folks, welcome back into the workshop. As you heard and whatever, not got much update on the Arnie, but here we are in the Mini. As you can see, new rocker cover, new gasket. That's the old one in the bag over there. I'll leave that just now until I've discovered that it is actually that was the issue, and if not, then it's, as you can see, to beat this to within an inch of its life. Big thanks to Martin, Reid, Dave Bow, one of my young neighbours, Alex, and myself, and we literally spent the thick end of 12 hours between us getting those last two injectors out. So anyway, onwards and upwards and all that. So because I can't do anything in the workshop, I've commandeered Sandra's kitchen, which she's not very happy about, but never mind. So I'm just I first coated these last week, and must have been getting kicked about the garage since, so I'm just going to give them a flat and another couple of coats this afternoon. The handles, because they're plastic, I was looking for some sort of a plastic coat, plastic paint. The local Aldi had this metallic black multiple use paint, seemingly it's good for plastic, wood, all sorts. So anyway, I'm going to rub that off today. That P1500 there, wet and dry. Flat it back, give it a scotch, and give them a coat. So I'll go on with it, and I'll let you see the results when I'm finished. So here we go. Windscreen wiper arms, I've had another little tickle. I'll give them another coat just to thicken it up a wee bit, because obviously they take a bit of beating. The handles I'm really pleased with, actually. I don't know if you can really see in the... I'll go and grab the light, portable light, and see if you can see it a bit better. It wasn't the look I was going for, but I'm actually quite pleased. I've turned it really well. It's quite a deep depth to the metal flake that's in the paint. As I say, I wasn't going for a metal flake look. I wasn't going for... It was literally... I actually got it just to use as a primer, and then I was just going to put gloss black on top. But I'm actually quite pleased with the way it looks. So anyway, put my light back. But that's about it, folks. As I say, we've not got much updates on the camper. As soon as I do know anything, I will let you give a little update. Hopefully next time you see this, it'll be back out on the road. So thanks for your patience, and thanks for watching. If you'd like to be video, give us a wee like and a subscribe. So take care out there, people, and as I say, I'll keep you updated as soon as I know anything. As soon as the painter lets me know anything, I'll let you know. Ta-ra for now.